Emotional support animals, or ESAs, are a hot topic in rentals. Whether you're a landlord or tenant, knowing the essentials is key. ESAs offer therapeutic support to individuals with emotional or psychological disabilities without the need for specific training, and can encompass a range of different animal species. How to get an emotional support animal? You typically need an ESA letter from a licensed mental health professional. ESAs can be any animal, such as a dog, cat, bird, or even a miniature horse. Legal rights and requirements. For landlords, understanding ESA regulations is vital. You can't charge pet fees or pet deposits for ESAs, but tenants are responsible for any damage caused by ESAs. Tenants must provide a legitimate ESA letter. Best practices for landlords. Screen tenants with ESAs, consider security deposits to cover potential damages, and ensure reasonable accommodation. Best practices for tenants. Landlords are prohibited from requesting information about disabilities or charging pet fees. As the ESA owner, you are accountable for any damages caused. Common ESA misconceptions and issues. Watch out for the potential abuse of ESA privileges and fake documentation. In conclusion, anybody who is involved in rental property management for an extended period of time will ultimately encounter ESAs. Understanding the rules and best practices is vital. Do you think ESAs should be more widely accepted in rental housing?